Transfer Amazon gift card balance to debit card. In this video, you are going to learn how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to debit card. So let's get started. Suppose you have an Amazon gift card and you do not want to the actual gift card. You want some money that you want to spend somewhere else. So suppose you have this, there are two things that you can try. The first thing is you can flip or resell this at the website called as Race Marketplace. Now, Race Marketplace is a website which allows you to buy and sell discounted gift card. So you can sell your gift card right here. It might be able to help you. Someone might be able to buy it and you can get that money into your bank account directly. However, if this thing does not work, the second thing that you can try is try buying the gift card like Apple, or you can buy gift cards for Walmart wherever you want to spend. As you guys can see, you can buy Walmart gift cards and other things. Uber Eats, so you just have to buy the right one according to you. That's pretty much easy and simple. That's how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to your debit card. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.